Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me this evening. We're going to be opening day 13 of our 2025 Advent calendar, and I can't wait. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I got day 13 here. I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, fun. Look at this. We've got new shaker covers. These are our square shaker covers. They're 3 1/8 inch square. And the reason I did that is so that the square paper that you cut to go on the inside is simple. You just cut it 3 inches. Just cut it 3 inches, fit it inside there, and make a fun little square shaker cover or shaker pouch. This also coordinates with the square die that you received in an earlier day of the Advent calendar. The square die will make a square that fits right in here, so you can use a die to cut your paper. And that zigzag square die that you received fits nicely behind this, and it frames around the shaker cover. So really fun. You can use all those together to create a fun card. Thanks so much again for joining me today for opening day 13 of our Advent calendar. I hope you'll join me tomorrow evening for day 14. Until then, keep living the creative life.